About a year ago, I changed all the bulbs in the back of my disco to LED bulbs. But it looks like there's one here that's a bit defective. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what to do with these LED bulbs. Alright, so I'm going to take this unit out and we're going to go to the bench. Getting the D2 lights out are really easy. All you've got to do is undo the 4 screws on the side of the car around the light, pull it out, and then there's a multi-plug. You just push the little metal clip inside and undo it. And then there's a series of screws round here that have to come out. Now these can be a bit tricky because these are into a sort of moulded in nuts and sometimes they can be a bit tight. So I'm going to get these out and then we're going to come back. So with that panel out, we can find out what I did last year. I put this type of LED bulb in, which is a standard, just a standard 21 watt bulb. And these have been very, very good. But it's this type that plays up. Let's see what we can do with them. On the back of the bulb, there's a soldered base. Just let me get some equipment and we can see if we can get into this. There you go, I think we've fixed that. That's what you should do with Chinese bulbs, because that's all they're good for. I hope you enjoyed that. Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. Talk to you later. Bye.